Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love.
Guys, I'm in need of a very thorough wash day. I haven't washed my hair in I don't know how long, and when I show you what's under this, yeah, I'm embarrassed. However, I have no choice but to wash it because it's not cute anymore. I will show you guys my wash day today. I'm going to do a hot oil treatment for the first time. I've been seeing all the girlies do it on TikTok, and I'm like, I need to try that. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm going to change into a more old t-shirt so that I don't stain my shirt. But I'm gonna do that right now, and then I'll come back once that is done to get on with the rest of the wash day. Guys, my hair is it's a mess. Like, no ways. I can't believe I let it get to this point. Like, yo, let's sort it out though. I already have my oil in the hot water. Yeah, so at least that's done. So painful. Okay guys, so the process is really simple. You just make sure that you hydrate your hair with some water first, and then this is when I also take the time to finger detangle a bit of my hair. When I need to, I will add more water, and that's when I go in with my oil. I'm using this one from Liana Beauty, which I absolutely love. So I'm gonna apply it to my scalp and to the strands of my hair, especially the ends, because the ends are the oldest part of my hair and they are quick to dry out, quick to break. So we must take care of the ends of our hair because they're the most fragile. But I do apply the oil. After applying the oil, I also go back in and finger detangle. After I finger detangle, I take my detangling brush and start detangling from the ends of my hair to my roots. And be gentle when you're doing this because, as I said, we do not want to break our hair. Our hair is very fragile, so you must handle it with care so that it can grow. So I'll just go with my detangling brush, make sure I detangle thoroughly, and once I'm satisfied with detangling, I will then twist that part and then move on to the rest. Section's done. Forever to go. I regret leaving my hair for so long. No, because I regret it. Like, yeah, no, it's a mess. It's honestly a mess. Like, look at this. Ooh. Yeah, just to give you guys more clarity, I'll repeat the steps again so that you understand it. So I start by hydrating my hair with some water, and then I finger detangle gently with my hands, and then after doing that, I take my oil, apply it to my scalp and to the length of my hair, especially the ends, because they are very fragile and they're the ones that need the most care. And then after I apply the oil, I will go back in and finger detangle and massage the oil into my scalp very well, and then I will then take my detangling brush and detangle from the tips to the roots of my hair. This is a very simple process. It can get tedious and messy because the oil will be dripping on you, on your neck, on your face, but it's quite easy and it also has some benefits to your hair. I was talking by myself this whole time, but I was saying that I am at the front of my hair right now, of my head, so I'm gonna do the front. And I was saying that I love how warm the oil is when it gets to my scalp. Ooh, that's a very nice feeling. And not for you not dating, I will be doing a hot oil treatment more often because wow, my hair just feels so nice. And yeah, I'm really enjoying it. I just wish that I didn't leave my hair to be this bad. But you know what, life happens, life gets in the way. And I knew that I wanted to film my my wash day routine with you guys because I haven't done one of those on YouTube for a while. I wanted to do that, and in order for me to do that, I needed time to film and do my hair. So I couldn't just just decide to wash my hair without filming it for you guys. But yeah, let me finish and I'll let you guys watch what I do, and if I do need to say anything, I'll obviously include it in the voiceover. Some benefits of hot oil treatments include strengthening of your hair. So the hot oil treatment may help strengthen your hair from the roots to the tip, making it less prone to breakage, which is what we're trying to avoid at all costs, because breakage means that your hair is growing but you will not see the growth because it keeps breaking away. Another benefit is that it promotes a healthy scalp. So by applying the oil to your scalp and you massaging it in, it can increase your blood circulation, which results in hair growth, and it also reduces an itchy scalp and dandruff. Another benefit I want to mention is the fact that it adds shine. So the oil brings back moisture into your hair, which may help your hair become more shiny. So if your hair is a bit on the dull side, a hot oil treatment will help your hair have more shine. I finished applying the oil to my hair, and now this is the time where I would put on a plastic bag, but I can't find one. So yeah, but I'm going to leave this for 30 minutes before I wash it out and do my normal wash day routine. If you do have a plastic bag, please use it so it helps keeping the moisture into your hair. But I'm not going to because I can't find one, so I'm just going to leave it in my hair for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then I'll go back and wash my hair. I will see you then. As you all know, before applying any shampoo or any products to your hair, you make sure that your hair is saturated with water and that it is drenching with water, which also helps remove any product buildup that you may have before you go in with your shampoo. And for me, it sometimes takes a while because I have low porosity hair, so I just make sure that my hair is drenched with water, and then I go in with the shampoo from Vigro. I did a collaboration with them on Instagram if you want to see that, which has been helping me in growing my hair. But I cleanse twice. This is something that every person should do. You should make sure that you cleanse your hair twice, because the first wash is to just remove the product that has been in your hair, and the second wash is to make sure that your hair is actually really clean. And I love the shampoo because it doesn't leave my hair feeling stripped, and also it smells really good. And then I follow up with a conditioner from the same brand and apply it to my hair. And this is when I would also detangle, but I detangle after leaving it in for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is also the time where you can use a deep conditioner, but I didn't have one on this day. And I also dry my hair with a cotton t-shirt. My hair is washed and conditioned, and I feel so relieved. Now I'm going to blow dry it. I think I've mentioned before that I am now a blowout natural. I wear my hair blown out probably, let me say 97% of the time, because I just prefer it that way. It's easier for me to manage. You know, I've explained this before in my other video, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. Obviously, as you all know, if you watch my videos, you know that shea butter is my choice of heat protectant. And then I'll go in with my trusted, tried and true blow dry my hair. It's a very simple routine. I also have a video that I have of me blow drying my hair and the technique that I use in detail. So if you want to see that, I'll also pin it here so that you guys can watch it. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. So the method that I use to blow dry my hair is called the tension method. I start by detangling my hair using my hands, and then I go in with my detangling brush, and then I'll apply my heat protectant and then further detangle before taking my blow dry and holding the length of my hair while I dry it. Does it make sense? I can show it better, I can tell it. And then once the length is dry, I go and blow dry the ends, and then I use my detangling brush to do that. This is a very simple method and technique that I've been using for quite some years right now, and it has worked for me. It doesn't leave me with any breakage, and I love the results that I get from blowing out my hair like this. As I've obviously said, there's a detailed tutorial on how I do this up on my channel. I will link it for you guys to see if you want it. But yeah, that's pretty much what I do to blow dry my hair safely and cause no breakage. Another thing that I do want to mention is that make sure that whatever it is that you're doing, that you work in sections, because you do not want to unnecessarily break your hair. You're doing all this work to make sure that your hair grows and it doesn't break. So I believe that working in sections really helps you in preserving the health of your hair, because you do not want to cause damage. Like anxiety blow drying the front of my hair, because it's the most fragile part of my hair. It breaks easily, but damn, it has grown a lot. When your routine is showing out, it has grown a lot. Like my hair had broken so much, and I think when it was broken, it was probably at this length, but you didn't know, right? Yeah, but look at how much it has grown. I'm so proud. I'm really proud. Wow. Woo! Yes, girl. Yo, guys, trust me, you do not want to break your hair, because it will really deal with your self-esteem. It will deal. Look at my sister coming with the tea. But yeah, trust me, you do not want to break your hair. When my hair had broken off last year, it really dealt with my self-esteem. I was so close to cutting it, and it had only broken at the front, which was so bad. So yeah, please guys, take care of your hair and be gentle. I know it's hard sometimes, but try to be as gentle as possible. Yo, my hair has grown. Because what? Yo, my hair has grown. Literally, even the color is gone. Yeah. Yep. But yeah, guys, this is my wash day routine. And if I have any other tips to give you guys, I'll include them in the voiceover. But this is pretty much what I've been doing and what has been working for me. And I see the results, because as I said, my hair had broken off about a year ago, and I've been nursing it back to health ever since. And yeah, I think, as you can see, health-wise, yeah, I'm happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know if you do like these types of videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and join us here. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.